everybody. Today I'm going to be talking about variable sizes and the size of operator. This is my 1.2 tutorial, so be sure to check out 1.3 and so on. There's several reasons it is useful to know how much memory a variable takes up. First, the more memory a variable takes up, the more information you can hold. Because each bit can only hold a 0 or 1, we say that a bit can store two values. Makes sense? Okay, 0 or 1. 2 bits can store 4 values and so forth. And the size of a variable puts a limit on the amount of information you can store. Variables that are bigger can hold larger numbers, obviously. We'll address this issue further when we get deeper into variables in later tutorials. In order to determine the size of data types on particular machines, C++ provides an operator named sizeof. The sizeof operator is a unary operator that takes either a type or a variable and returns its size in bytes. I'm going to go ahead and quickly code a program. Code a program and compile it, and you can do the same. It will tell you how large your data types are. The results can vary depending on the compiler or what kind of computer you're using. So I'm going to quickly go. Welcome back. This I just got done coding it. This will display how much each takes up on my computer. You can see that a bool, right there, size of bool is 1 byte, car 1 byte, and so forth. Usually my compiler in Visual Studio, right now I'm using CodeBlocks, be sure to check it out. Anyway, I'm using Visual Studio. When I'm using Visual Studio, it says double is 8 bytes and long double is 8 bytes as well. It really depends on the compiler you're using. Also, if you're wondering what the /t in this program stands for, it's a special symbol that inserts a tab, and we'll cover the symbols and we'll cover the /t and other special symbols when we talk about the car data type. Since the size of operator is only one of only 3 in C++ that is a word instead of a symbol, it's key to know them. The other two are new and delete. You can also quickly, I'm just going to go over this. You can also use the size of operator on a variable name just to see how much your byte is. So you type in count x is space double less than size of x. This should compile x is 4 bytes since it is defined as an int. So I'm going to go ahead and exit that. Now that you know enough about variables, we can start discussing the different data types, but we'll go into that in my next tutorial 1.3. Be sure to check that out. Also, rate, comment, subscribe, and give me feedback on what I can do to make these tutorials better. I don't appreciate nasty comments. I know I'm not the best tutorial giver, but you don't need to rub it in. Thanks for watching anyway.